If your Jira dashboard is cluttered with old or irrelevant projects, this video is going to save you a ton of time because today I'll show you exactly how to leave a Jira project the clean, simple, and foolproof way. Let's make your workspace lighter, faster, and focused on what truly matters. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head straight to your Jira dashboard. Log into your account like you normally would. Once you're in, you should land on your home screen with all your active work visible. Next, look toward the top menu and click on the tab labeled Your Work. This is where Jira keeps everything connected to your activity: projects, issues, filters, and more. Now, scroll through your list and find the project you want to leave. Once you spot it, simply click the project name to enter it. This will open the full project dashboard. Inside the project, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see project settings and select it. This is where all project level controls live, perfect for customizing or, in this case, removing yourself. Inside project settings, look for the small ellipsis icon, the 3 vertical dots. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Move to Trash. This action disconnects you from the project and removes it from your main view. It's a quick and effective way to keep your Jira clean without affecting your active work. After doing that, head back to your dashboard and check your work section again. You should notice that the project you just removed is no longer there. If it's gone, perfect. You've successfully left the project, and in case you ever change your mind, don't worry. You can always rejoin by asking the project admin or someone on your team with admin permissions to add you back in. And that's it. Simple, clean, and super effective. If this guide helped you declutter your Jira workspace, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.